Most tomato plants need some support to keep fruit and vines off the ground. Here are a few ways to get the job done. Tomato cages are easy to install. Plant your tomato first. Then push the legs of the cage into the ground with the tomato plant in the center. For extra stability, drive a stake into the ground. And secure the cage to the stake with wire. Tie branches to the cage for extra support if needed. If your plant outgrows the cage, additional staking may be needed later in the season. Staking tomatoes can be as simple as it sounds. Always wear safety glasses when driving stakes. Drive one sturdy wooden stake into the ground for each tomato plant. Tie the main stem to the stake. And continue to tie branches to the stake as the plant grows. To efficiently stake a whole row of plants, try the Florida Weave. Pound a sturdy metal T-post at the end of each row. For maximum stability, make sure to drive the kick plate all the way into the ground. Add wooden stakes every 4 to 5 feet between the T-posts. Space plants about every 2 feet. Stretch cotton twine between the posts, weaving it around the plants. Continue to add layers of twine as the plants grow. The Florida Weave can also be used for pepper plants. Because pepper stems break easily, run the twine on either side of the plants. Do not weave between them. Agricultural panels can also be used to support tomato plants. These large welded wire grids are sold at farm supply stores. Use sturdy metal T-posts to support the panel. You'll probably need a helper to move and place the panel. Use zip ties or wire to hold the panel onto the posts. Plant your tomatoes at the base of the panel and water them well. Weave the tips of the branches into the panel as they grow. You can also tie stems to the panel as needed. There are also many purpose-built tomato supports available, like this stackable tomato ladder. Healthy, productive tomato plants just need a little support. Happy growing from Vine Gardening.